Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are going to be doing an experiment. I've decided to take my makeup brushes and pop them into the dishwasher. I have too many brushes, so I just decided to take the easy way out. If this works, all well and good for me, but if not, we're gonna have to rewash all those brushes again. So let's see what the results are. So what I'm going to do is just take all the brushes and put it into the basket from the dishwasher, and then after that pop it into the dishwasher. The brushes, as you can see, they are dirty. So I put in the button in the dishwasher. That generally cleans up all the dishes in the dishwasher, so I expected the exact same thing. So guys, as you can see, the brushes are out, they're ready to be tested. So I decided to put them underneath a white towel. So I laid a white towel at the bottom so that we could just test on them to see whether there's any product left or not. Yes, I completely forgot to tell you guys whether this was a yes or a no. I personally did not enjoy doing this. I did not see any results out of this. My brushes, 90% of them were dirty, so I have to go and rewash all of them all over again. So for me, it was a complete no. But if you guys want to try it, just for the fun of it, I suggest you guys try it. But for me, it was just for the fun of it that I did it. But I wouldn't try it again. The next thing I want to try for you guys is pop my brushes in the washing machine. So let my brushes recover from this and then we're gonna try something new. Thank you so much for watching.